Here's SolidWorks 2022, here's an assembly and there are multiple parts in it, and this part on the top has this cut in it. And the question is how to make this cut appear in the part file also and not just in the assembly. This is an assembly. ASM is here. So if I right click on that part and go here to open part, then we can see that there is no cut in it. So how to make the cut appear here also. To make it appear, come on, refresh it. The cut is down here. That's the part and that's the cut on the part. Click on the cut and come here to edit feature. And after that come here to this one, propagate feature to parts. Check that one, propagate, close it with that OK sign, and nothing changed. But if I right click on that part and go here to open part, then voila, the cut is shown inside the part file also. PRT, that's a part file. Okay, if you don't want this feature anymore, let's just save it. Then you can go to that cut. I left clicked on it, edit feature. And the same thing, just uncheck that propagate feature to parts. Close it with OK. And now if I right click, open part, now the cut is gone from the part file.